let us delve into a vibrant festival full of color, rhythm, and tradition, celebrating heritage, unity, and culture. Welcome to the Royal Reed Dance of South Africa, a breathtaking event that brings together thousands of young women, the royal family, and an entire nation. As we journey through this incredible cultural showcase, you'll uncover the history, the meaning, and the spectacle behind one of Africa's most captivating ceremonies.
It is a traditional Zulu coming of age ceremony.
Stick around to the end to discover why the Royal Reed Dance remains a symbol of pride and resilience in 2024.
But it can
The Royal Reed Dance, or Umkosi Womlanga, is a centuries-old tradition rooted in Zulu culture. Each year, young maidens gather to celebrate purity, pay homage to the Zulu King, and showcase the unity of their communities. But this event is more than just a ceremony. It's a celebration of identity and the passing down of cultural values from one generation to the next. In 2024, this timeless tradition continues to hold its significance, drawing attention from around the globe. Before we dive into the heart of the dance, let's explore its origins. The reed dance is believed to have started as a ritual to ensure the fertility of the land and the people. The reeds, which are central to the ceremony, symbolize growth, life, and resilience. Over time, the event evolved into a coming-of-age celebration, where young women reaffirm their commitment to family, community, and culture. The Zulu King plays a central role in this ceremony, serving as both a custodian of tradition and a unifying figure for the nation. Preparation for the reed dance begins months in advance. Young women, often dressed in traditional Zulu attire, embark on a journey to the king's palace. This pilgrimage is an essential part of the experience, fostering camaraderie among participants and strengthening their connection to their heritage. Along the way, they collect reeds, which will later be presented to the king as a symbol of respect and unity. When the big day arrives, the atmosphere is electric. The royal palace transforms into a sea of vibrant colors, as thousands of maidens, draped in traditional beadwork and garments, gather to perform intricate dance routines. The sound of drums fills the air, creating a rhythm that echoes through the hearts of everyone present. Each step, each movement, tells a story of resilience, pride, and unity. The reed dance is not just a visual spectacle. It's a powerful statement about the strength and vitality of Zulu culture. At its core, the event promotes values of respect, responsibility, and self-discipline. The emphasis on purity and virtue serves as a reminder of the importance of strong moral foundations in building a thriving society.
Athletes, we must do this thing. We do this in ourselves, and we've been started in 2014.
I always go around motivating young maidens that it's possible, not that it's something that is
In
not
2024, these values remain as relevant as ever, inspiring young people to embrace their heritage while looking toward the future. Now, let's talk about the role of the Zulu King. As the centerpiece of the ceremony, the king's presence symbolizes the unity and continuity of the Zulu nation. During the event, he addresses the maidens, offering words of wisdom and encouragement. His speech often touches on themes of respect, education, and the preservation of cultural traditions. The king's role extends beyond the reed dance, serving as a guardian of Zulu heritage and a figure of inspiration for the community. One of the most striking aspects of the reed dance is its ability to bring people together. The event is attended not only by the Zulu community, but also by visitors from across South Africa and the world. It's a melting pot of cultures, where people from different backgrounds come to witness the beauty and strength of Zulu traditions. This sense of unity and shared appreciation for culture is what makes the reed dance such a powerful experience. If you're enjoying this journey into the Royal Reed Dance of South Africa, don't forget to subscribe to Charstel TV. We bring you fascinating stories, cultural deep dives, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. As we move through the 2024, the reed dance continues to evolve. Incorporating modern elements while staying true to its roots. For example, the event now includes educational workshops, where young women can learn about health, leadership, and career development. These additions ensure that the reed dance remains not only a celebration of culture, but also a platform for empowerment and growth. Another notable aspect of the reed dance is its role in preserving traditional arts and crafts. The beadwork and garments worn by the participants are often handcrafted, showcasing the skill and creativity of local artisans. These items are not just beautiful, they're a testament to the resilience and adaptability of Zulu culture. By passing down these skills, the reed dance ensures that the rich tapestry of Zulu heritage continues to thrive. Let's take a moment to reflect on the global significance of the reed dance. In an era where cultures are becoming increasingly interconnected, events like this serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving and celebrating our unique identities. The reed dance is more than just a Zulu tradition. It's a beacon of hope and pride for people everywhere, proving that heritage and modernity can coexist harmoniously. As the ceremony concludes, the energy in the air is palpable. The maidens present their reeds to the king, a gesture that symbolizes unity and respect. The final dances are performed with unmatched vigor, leaving a lasting impression on everyone in attendance. The reed dance is not just an event, it's a transformative experience that stays with participants and spectators alike. In closing, the Royal Reed Dance of South Africa is a celebration of culture, unity, and resilience. It's a testament to the strength of Zulu heritage and a source of inspiration for future generations. As we look ahead to 2024 and beyond, the reed dance reminds us of the power of tradition in shaping a brighter future. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to Charstel TV for more incredible stories and cultural insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.